Today at Mob House Punboxing, I have something that's gonna do a hell of a job as a gaming laptop. Yeah.
Hey, it's a working day. I've been sitting all day, just wanna play. Hey, what you say to me? Say you dig my rhyme, just wanna taste. Aight, here's the secret sauce: chili sauce, double cross, candy floss, pass across the albatross. What? You got a hearing loss? This is the Helios and I'm the final boss. Just cool like a paddle pop, super duper yummy. This laptop got your girlfriend walking funny. Yeah, sonny, I said it, she talking funny. This is the Helios 300, man. Yeah, we hunt it for the best gaming laptop that you gonna get for this price bracket. So funny, or did I just shock sendiri? You tell me. Hi, I know you sure have a problem with my walking funny line. Just hear me out lah. You know how sometimes you sit there play Valorant for so many hours, then you have the habit of crossing your leg, then you suddenly want to stand up, go to the toilet, but your leg kebas, semut. Guess what you are doing? Walking funny lo. So correct ma, this laptop can make you walk funny. Anyways, let's accelerate this unboxing. Firstly, in this brown box, we have a 280 watt power brick that makes me want to punch like John Wick. Then you have the black box in the black box boxception. But you know, I always appreciate when a brand gives you proper padding, like Paddington Bear. With me as I cut open the box inside the boxception. Nice leh, my box. Under the laptop that I'm teasing, don't want to show you, got an envelope full of papers. Just email me lah. Save some trees. Even the sticker also not working one. Or am I doing something wrong? Finally, we have the laptop itself, fresh off the shelf, specially delivered by an elf. This is the Predator Helios 300. This has been around for more than 300 years. If you believe me, you probably also think the earth is flat. Straight off the bat, this laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7-12700H that you can choose to marry with 4 different NVIDIA GPUs. Here's the menu. The cheapest Bride or Groom is 7,999 ringgit. The most expensive one is 11,999 ringgit. Wow, like hantaran like that. So just make yourself at home lah, slowly choose. Just know that the higher end models come with 32GB of DDR5 RAM rated at 4800MHz and 2TB of PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, while the lower end models only come with half the memory and storage, but you can top up later. Kinda like touch and cannot go cause you're already married ma, like I said. Looking at the outside, this laptop is quite buff looking to fit more cooling, to keep that powerful i7 and up to an RTX 3080 cool, even as you nerd rage all day. Speaking of gaming, this laptop has a 15.6-inch 1440p 165Hz refresh rate IPS panel that is not only great for gaming, but also because it's rated for 100% DCI P3, you now have the license to hustle your mother to get this laptop for you for school. At night, when your mother is sleeping, you can even douche with the perky RGB backlit keyboard. Can even set the mood to Kedai Tom Yum mode when you Netflix and chill. Finally, here are all the orifices of this laptop. Got some on the left side, some on the right side, and some on the back side. Back side is of course my favorite, cause got Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1 and also DisplayPort 1.4. What are you thinking? Jangan terpesong! The Predator Helios 300 is very #cheap buy at 7,999 ringgit or up to 11,999 ringgit. It is plenty powerful to help you slay demons and pwn noobs all day, except during the work day. Unless you're a boss like me, then feel free lah to do whatever you want. Moral of the story: buy gaming laptop, must choose a cool one. If not your lap hot, how to be a bangsawan? Ha, clever leh. If clever, subscribe lah to our YouTube channel. Wait for what? Durian to drop from the tree, is it?